So my name is Ming. I'm from TechZone. I'm a volunteer from MacPherson CCC. Together with Han and Stephanie right at the end there. So that's JP, our kind sponsor for today, the CEO for redevelopment.
Core segments for prompt engineering are number one, prompt language, how to speak to the ChatGPT. Okay, the purpose of this is to let GPT know that I need these 6 files from this folder. Alternatively, you can say extract all the files within this folder. For the example, is it clear? Yeah. For this code, right, check if the file exists. How can we be very directed? Be very patient.
Sure. Yes.
I think that's part of life.
Thank you everyone for being so patient and trying everything. So give yourself a round of applause. A pat on the back. One, two, three. Okay.